Take rice. Across Asia, it's the staple diet for 2 billion people. It feeds over half the world's population. In Indonesia, the landscape is dominated by it. Huge tracts of the jungle have been replaced by rice fields and terraces. Devoting large areas of land to one single crop is the only way to feed so many people quickly and easily. But this is just the start of high-speed farming. Rice growing still needs a large workforce. And despite many hands making light work, it still takes a lot of time to grow and harvest. So what can be done to speed things up and save time? Where possible, machines take over. This is how we get our daily bread. Huge combine harvesters clear wheat fields quickly and efficiently. But there's another, bigger problem. Nature controls the speed at which food plants grow and ripen. And of course, that dictates when they hit the shops. About 30 years ago, tomatoes were only available in the summer. Now they're in our shopping trolleys year-round. There are plum tomatoes, vine-ripened tomatoes, cherry tomatoes, Vittoria, Pomodorino. We have an insatiable appetite for them. The British alone consume 420,000 tons every year. What happened to the humble tomato? The tomato plant fell under our complete control. And what helped us to do this was the glasshouse. With glass houses, tomato growth went high-tech. In a short space of time, the greenhouse has gone from rustic garden potting place to megalithic tomato factory. This one covers over 11 hectares of the English countryside. But it's about as far from nature as you can get. Is this a window on the future? It's a precision-controlled world within a world, where growing time is compressed and tomatoes hurtle through their cycle at unnatural speed. They're grown in a special mineral base and drip-fed the water and food they need. As the temperature gets too hot, the windows open automatically, and once the best growing temperature is reached, they close. This is performance growth. 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Seasons are a thing of the past. There's even a boiler which kicks in to stop the tomatoes catching a chill. Nothing is left to chance. They ripen double quick, and then they're picked. Even this happens round the clock, and although it's done by hand, it's made as easy as possible, so no time is wasted. Demand is rocketing. It might not be long before we're eating more tomatoes than any other fruit. No wonder we're doing all we can to grow them as fast as possible. to speed up nature, we have created artificial worlds. Is it only a matter of time before all we grow comes under our control? The tomato's rise from market garden fruit to techno plant is just one of the many ways in which we've taken time and shrunk it. If you drive down time, you drive down cost. Time is now money.